the bedang extend.
Alright, hi Mr. A. This is a demonstration of our experiment to show that the bedangzang is holding a charge and that the charge is negative. So what we're doing here is that what's going on is the electrons are going into the bolt from the PVC pipe, and then it's going into these two separated aluminum leaflets here. And because that's going on, because they're going into the two leaflets, they will repel each other. So it's so what this is, it's called an electroscope, and it's able to show that there is a charge being stored on in the bedangzang, specifically from the bolt, and that the charge is negative, because we know that the electrons are going into the bolt and these two leaflets, because the PVC pipe gets charged negatively on the triboelectric series and goes into the bolt because it's a conductor into the leaflets, and they repel each other. And we know that repulsion is the only viable way to prove that there is a standing charge, because attraction can be due to polarization and induction and stuff like that. So without further ado, here we go. We're going to show that these two leaflets are going to repel each other when we're going to charge up the bolt here. So you see they're moving apart ever so slightly, back and forth. Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
Making the aluminum foil a little frisky.
There we go. Yeah, see, they're quite separated now.
It's also because you can't see it that well because they're not, like, the tinfoil isn't.
Tinfoil is pretty heavy and kind of a stiff.
You need something that's like gold leaf.
Yeah, gold leaf is very like malleable. It's like if you can get it pretty thin, then you can show it really well, like in the science videos.
Oh, so that's so.
There you go. That's good. You can see it kind of go out and back in. Because you can see here, this is the PVC.
Alright, and then we can just discharge it. And then go back to normal.
Yeah, if you touch the leaflets, then they'll just ground out.
Touch the leaflets.
There you go. You can see that again. They're moving back and forth. Here, we can also show here. Take the leaflet right here, discharge it, and then take the leaflet off, and then wrap it around the bolt just by it is, and you can see it pretty well. Just wrap it sideways like this. And then you can see it pretty well. See that they're separating. Yeah, there's some pretty good separation there. Alright, and
Try to keep perfecting it.
Yeah, that is our basic experiment to show how it stores a charge in the Leyden jar. Electric charge, or negative charge, that is.